So we got up super early today. I'm not saying we got out early, but it was like 8:45 we left Creek Fire. It was one of the first times we had a 4.5 hour Google ride that actually took us 4.5 hours.
Wow.
I don't know how that happened.
Were you speeding?
There must have been some kind of a time warp in there. But we literally just stopped for all of our rest breaks. We're just for the driver to go to the restroom quick, and we didn't even shut the engine off, and we were back in gear. If we were truly cool RVers, we would just switch seats while we're driving. No, don't do that. That's a joke. I can't imagine doing that. All right, so let's go inside and let's at least get on the books for our appointment on Monday.
Do we have an appointment?
We do not. We're a waiter, but we're a documented waiter. So they said, you get here on Monday and we'll work in during the week.
Oh, good.
So we'll see how that goes.
All right.
Well, we parked in number 7 because there was no sign. You know, honey, I'd like to show everybody the thick book it takes
Oh, man.
to keep your RV running, but I have a confession to make.
Yeah?
This is book 1 of 2, section 1 through 2.
Oh, my God.
I have 2 more books like this.
Oh, my God. Wow. It's hard being you.
Down.
Okay.
2-8. Rainy day.